Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Jeera cookies. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. This helps achieve a smooth, consistent dough. Having everything ready makes the process much more enjoyable and efficient for baking. Now, let's start mixing. In a bowl, cream together the room temperature butter and powdered sugar until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. This step is crucial for a tender cookie texture. Next, gradually add the all-purpose flour and a small pinch of salt. Mix until just combined, then gently fold in the roasted cumin seeds. Be careful not to overmix the dough. With your dough ready, it's time to shape the cookies. Take small portions, about 10 to 12 grams each, and roll them into uniform balls. Arrange these on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they turn a lovely golden brown. Once baked, carefully transfer your Jeera cookies to a wire rack and let them cool completely. This step is important for them to firm up and achieve their perfect texture. Once cooled, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and crisp for up to 1 week. These savory treats are absolutely perfect with your afternoon tea or coffee. Enjoy your homemade Jeera cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.